Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well and I welcome you to another video. In this video, I want to explain the concept of limiting reactants so you can understand what they actually mean and represent when we talk about them in chemical equations. So for the purposes of today's video, I'd like to give you an example, but I don't want to use elements or compounds and actual chemical equations to illustrate the example. I think I can do it better with an example featuring cars. So let's say, for instance, that you want to make a car, and in order to make a car, you know that you need to have 4 tires. Okay, let me put that in red. You need to have 4 tires. You need to have at least 2 headlights. These are headlights. And you need to have 1 engine. And I understand that's simplifying things a lot. You need way more to make a car, obviously. But let's just say these are the parameters that we're working with here. And yeah, convince yourselves that this, whatever this is an engine, okay? So this is the ratio. You need 4 tires, 2 headlights, and 1 engine to make a car. Now again, pardon me for this drawing of what I presume is a car. So this is the relationship. You need 4 tires, 2 headlights, 1 engine to make 1 car. Now let's say you have 15 tires to work with, and you have 7 headlights, and you have 3 engines. How many cars can you make with this amount of raw materials? How do you figure that out? Well, you would need to take the number of raw materials you have and divide them by these numbers in the equation. So for tires, we would do 15 divided by 4. Okay, let's just quickly calculate that. So 3.75, I think. Yep, 3.75. Okay, for headlights, it would be 7 divided by 2, which is 3.5. And for engines, it would just be 3 divided by 1, which is 3. So these numbers are going to tell us which is the limiting reactant. The number that is the smallest is going to be the limiting reactant in our case, which is this number, the number of engines. We don't have enough engines to make the full use of the tires and the headlights we have. So based on this information, we can only make 3 cars with the materials we have, because we only have 3 engines, and it's necessarily a 1-to-1 correspondence there. And this is our limiting reactant. So I hope this example illustrates what limiting reactants are. Thank you guys for watching.